Hello everyone, happy new month, everybody. In today's tutorial, we're not designing. I just want to show you my appreciation, how you people support me, like, and do everything. So in this tutorial today, I want to share this, give you this PSD file, 50 plus via this file. Yeah, for my appreciation. All this file is going for free. So you can see it, all this file is going for free. So let me show you how is what is inside. Just want to show you. You can see it. You can see it. This is date. This is what you achieve. One thing I just want you people should do for me is like, subscribe, and share. So you can see all this is going for free. So I'm giving you this PSD file for free for appreciation. So we're already in 800 subscribers. Thank you everybody. So I'm just using opportunity to for my appreciation for you guys for everything that so you can see all this file is going for free. It's going for free. All this is going for free. All this I'm giving you for free. So you can use this for your next project. So if you need any some, you can put some resources there. So all this I'm giving you for free. You can see it. Everything. This I'm giving you for free. So you can see it. It's very editable. It's very editable. One thing I want you guys to do for me is like the video, subscribe, and share the video. So all this I'm going for free. You can see it. So I'll show you it's very editable. Let me see. You can see it come with you can see it's very editable. You can see including the picture, this picture, you can see it. All these are very editable. You can double click it like this, you can see it. You can write any name, you can see it's very editable. So let me you can see it. Let's only this one back. You can see it's very editable. Very editable. Let's go and check another one. Let's go and check another one. That was very good. So you can let's check this one too. So you can see it are very editable. Are very editable. You can see it. Only the pastors, all everything. All these are very editable and it's going for free. So it's going for free. One thing I just want you guys to do is just like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'll be giving you more free design. So, and if you want me to design for you as a freelancer, I'm available too. I'm available. I can design for you via any freelancer or project, graphic design something. I'm available. So you can see all these are for free. Let me show you another one. All PSD file I'm sharing now is for free. Yeah, it's very editable and you can use it for your all occasions. You can use it. You can see it, loading the text, loading everything. You can see all everything like this are very editable. So let's check this. So let me show you. You can see all this one are going for free. All this, including this club flyer too. You can see all this one are very editable. You can see it will help you in your design. It will help you in your design very well. You can see, and including this one too, it will help you in your design very well. And it was very editable to help you very well in your design. So you can see, including this one too. So let me show you this one, this PSD file, this one. That's it. All these are very editable. You can use it for your next project. It's very easy. So one thing, most importantly, most appreciating important thing in this thing is that you have access to all resources that inside this PSD file, including the fonts, including the picture, including the light effect, everything, or gold effect, everything you have access to it, and you know how they are laying from start. You can see you know how they are laying from start. You can see it. So this will help you very well. And most importantly, you have access to the resources, all resources for in this. So just like, subscribe, and share the video so it can reach your other designers that are looking for this opportunity. You can see all these are going for free. All these are going for free. You can see it. All these are going for free. Just like the video. So this is just for appreciation from you guys. This is for there's no password there. I did not put password. No, there's no password. This is just my appreciation for you guys from the 0 subscribers to right now we are here now. I'm very appreciative. So this is just for appreciation. This is not appreciation for you guys. This is just an appreciation for you guys. So let's click this one. So let's click this one. You can see it. Just let's click this one. So and it's very editable. You can edit it. You can see you can put your picture, your anything. You can edit it and have access to the background. Everything, including the fonts and everything. So everything is for free. For free. Yeah. So let's off this one. So let's go back again. So subscribe to my YouTube channel so you have access to this. So you will be notified when I upload more video like this. Subscribe to the channel, like, share. I really appreciate. I really appreciate you guys. Let me show you. So I'm giving you you can see you have access to the background, the font, everything. You have access to it. You know how I lead from start, how you start. So that is it. So you can use it. You can see this one now. You can put your picture there, change it, everything. I think this will help you a lot. Help you a lot. So yeah, I think it will help you a lot. So all these are going for free. It's not for sale. Are going for free. So you can see this club flyer too. All these are going for free. You can see it. I already showed you this one. So thank you everybody. I'll just be saying thank you everybody because it's not a small job. Thank you everybody. So all these are going for free. You can see this business flyer. You can have access to it too. You can see it. All these are going for free. All these are going for free. Including this one too. All these are going for free. Are going for free. And this one too. So you can see it. So thank you everybody. I really appreciate. I really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate it. Oh, this one. So like the video, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorial, and turn on the notification bell and share with your fellow designer. Thank you everybody. See you in my next episode. Bye for now.